राजा थोड़ा नीचे बैठ जाओ ना। आप लोगों ने दे रहे कैसे Excuse me. Yeah. Ma'am, yeah. Mom, you're right. Mom, you're right. Ma'am, right. Ma'am, yeah. Ma'am, right. हाँ दिनू सर क्लास में रखा हुआ यार राइट दिनू सर राइट थैंक यू Bismillah.
Where have you been? Pratik, where have you been? People are just waiting. Your fans have been eagerly waiting. That where is Pratik nowadays?
I've been around, I've been finding my feet. I've been trying to figure myself out as an actor, as a human being. I just lost my grandmother, but I've just done a really interesting film. It's an independent film with Hollywood production with Surat Sharma. We just won at the Sundance Film Festival in January 2015. We're bringing the film to India really soon.
So you have hampered in January for the fans that you have in India, right?
Sorry, what?
January you've been releasing your film, right? Will it be a hamper for the people, your fans, your audiences in India?
Can your movies releasing?
I'm supposed. I have no say. My producers are planning everything. But as far as I know, I worked in a project and it was a great experience. I worked with two kids from Hollywood. It was small but very precious project, and yeah, very close to my heart. Should be coming out soon.
Can you introduce your friend to us that who has come?
I'm not a friend.
She's my. We know each other since school. She wants Lara what?
Introduce her to us.
This is Tanya Bora.
Please come in.
Tanya.
What's her name?
Tanya. Tanya. No, she's.
I work at GQ.
She works at GQ.
Get out of here.
Let's go.
Talking
Thank you.
about GQ, who do you
Yeah.
think could be the GQ Man of the Year this year? Who do you think is
May the best man win. I don't know who are the nominees, but may the best man win, and I'm here to support all of them.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.
फिल्म को तारीफ मिले तो अच्छा ही लगता है, और क्योंकि को इतना जैसा आपने कहा कलेक्शन और इतना सम्मान मिला है तो हमें बड़ी खुशी होती है।
बाकी कास्ट की बातचीत हुई आपने, किस तरह का रिएक्शन था आमिर वगैरह सबका?
किस बात को लेकर?
मतलब कितना रिकॉर्ड बनाया
नहीं, अब वो तो उस वक्त जब फिल्म रिलीज़ होती है उस वक्त ही सब हो जाता है। अब तो काफ़ी वक्त गुजर चुका है फिल्म को।
नया कीर्तिमान बनाया, नया रिकॉर्ड बन रहा है।
ये रिकॉर्ड ठीक है। स्क्रिप्ट तकरीबन हो चुका है और अगले साल इसे शुरू किया जाएगा शूटिंग। आई एम एक्चुअली वर्किंग ऑन बोथ द स्क्रिप्ट, पर ये स्क्रिप्ट हो चुका है, मुन्ना भाई का स्क्रिप्ट अभी प्रोग्रेस में है। I think Ranbir is a fantastic actor, and I don't think any decisions are wrong. Nobody can judge what is a good film or a bad film, or you really can't judge the film by the commercial success of it. And Ranbir is a fantastic actor, and nobody can stop him. Sorry? नहीं, हम लोग दोनों स्क्रिप्ट पे काम कर रहे हैं, जो पहले बन जाएगी वो पहले बनाएंगे, पर अभी फिलहाल संजू की स्क्रिप्ट रेडी हो गई है, तो आई थिंक विल शूट दैट फर्स्ट। यस, लुक्स लाइक दैट। See, I haven't seen Code, but what I've heard about that is a fantastic film. That's what I've heard. So I guess. Sorry? See, all those things, the financial things, right now I work on the script first and these things come later. So once this is sorted out, then we'll get into that. Thank you. Good evening, how are you?
Can we congratulate you? Are you getting an award tonight?
I hope I am. If I am, then I'd be happy to be congratulated.
बहुत अच्छी फिल्म आई थी आपकी हैदर के साथ याद है कभी उसकी मतलब
Yeah, it's a very, very special film in my career, Heather, and anything attached to Heather makes me feel very special because आसान फिल्म नहीं थी बनाना. बहुत लोगों ने कहा था शायद ऐसी फिल्म नहीं करनी चाहिए, बट मेरे करियर की कई सालों में सबसे सिग्निफिकेंट फिल्म रही है. सो आई वाज really happy, and I'm always happy when anybody asks me anything about Heather. Yeah, so it's a very happy feeling.
शायद इस बार वापस से विशाल भारद्वाज की ये फिल्म 2 तारीख को रिलीज हो रही है. आपकी भी हैदर 2 तारीख को रिलीज हुई थी.
जी.
आपने इस फिल्म को प्रमोट करना चाहेंगे?
Ji, it looks like a very hard-hitting film. It looks like a very interesting film. I'm very curious to see कि उसको किस point of view से present किया गया है. It's something that the entire country would be curious about. So I'm very excited. उसकी cast बहुत अच्छी है. Irfan sir is there in the film. Konkona is there in the film, and some very fine actors are in the film. So I'm very curious to see how the film is, and I'm sure it'll be really good.
शायद आपके वजन का मुद्दा ज़्यादा दिख रहा है. आपने beard बनाई है. Is it for Raghu or something? So what is it? Tell us something about that.
Yeah, I'm growing this beard because I'm supposed to be shooting for Rangoon in a month and a half. तो उसके लिए I am growing this beard, but I don't know what the final look will be because Vishal sir usually is very particular उनको किस तरह की look चाहिए होती है. So right now he's told me grow a beard, so I'm growing a beard.
लेकिन आप weight lose भी कर रहे हो because people say it is very difficult to put on weight, but weight lose करना है तो बहुत easily हो जाता है.
यार मैं ऐसे स्पेसिफिकली तो लूज़ या पुट ऑन नहीं कर रहा हूँ. मैं आजकल शानदार के प्रमोशंस में काफ़ी बिजी हूँ, तो आई डोंट गेट टू गो टू ट्रेन एज मच. सो मे बी दैट्स व्हाई यू फील आई हैव लॉस्ट वेट, बट ऐसा कोई डिसाइडेड रीज़न नहीं है उसके लिए. अबाउट व्हाट माई स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट? I like wearing comfortable clothes. Beyond that, I think if you're going out for an event like an evening event, then you should be sharply dressed. I like being sharp, and because we're at GQ, it's all about being sharp and being suave and being cool. So I try to be at least one of these. Sometimes I succeed, sometimes I don't.
Shahid, is it true that Malaika Arora Khan got upset on sets of Jhalak because you did a prank on her?
Because first she stole my phone, so then I decided to steal her shoes. Yeah, screenings are not in my control. Screenings will be defined by the production, and if there is a screening that they want to have, first of all, I don't even know if they'll have a screening for the film. So अगर रखेंगे तो I'd be very happy, but I'm not sure. Sorry? I have no idea. I have really no idea. Sorry? Yeah, I haven't seen that film, so I'm very curious to see it now that it's been selected. But I'm guessing the best film must have been chosen, but I haven't seen that film.
Sir, last question from my side. Vikramaditya Motwani wanted to work with you and Meera sir. Is it true?
Who?
Vikramaditya Motwani wanted to work with you and Meera sir. Is it true or not?
He wanted to work with me, and Meera is not an actor.
So what she wanted to have a next film with Vikramaditya?
That's between me and Vikram, but she's not an actor, she's my wife.
But sir, is it true?
No comments.
Say yes, sir.
Did you know the theme for Jeetu this year?
Is what? Yeah, I shot for it, man. Cool, thank you.
a small segment, so I'm quite excited about that and very nervous as well. But the GQ Awards are about fabulous men and celebrating them. So I'm really happy to be here today. It's what? It's digital. When I'm wearing something that's very structured, which is from Gaurav Gupta's latest collection that he showed at Lakme, which was called Sculpt. So it's from that collection. So yeah, I guess.
What is your favorite social media platform?
It would be Instagram.
How addicted are you?
Oh, pretty much. Yeah, where I got hurt, but yeah, I'm better. Nothing. I was practicing Kalari, and I slipped when I was doing a kick, and I went crashing into the wall. Sorry? Yeah, there's Wazir, that will be out soon, Fitur, and Abhishek Kapoor's Fitur, and Sudhir Mishra's Aur Devdas. So I'm looking forward to all of them. I hope you really like them.
Looking dapper.
Thank you.
You know the theme of tonight is digital. So are you wearing something digital?
यार ये जो डिज़ाइन बना है थोड़ा डिजिटली लग रहा है मुझे इसमें. Yeah, I think I'm wearing something digital. अरे मेरे you didn't tell me. Okay.
आपकी शाम से क्या उम्मीद है, क्या अपेक्षा है आपकी?
अपेक्षाएँ हर एक शाम से होती हैं और GQ की हर एक शाम लाजवाब होती है और GQ में हर साल जो मैन ऑफ द ईयर अवार्ड्स होते हैं इस साल हो रहे हैं एंड आई बी प्रेजेंटिंग वन ऑफ द अवार्ड्स. सॉरी.
आयुष्मान हमारे सहयोगी पूछना चाहते हैं आपसे
कौन है सहयोगी? हाय सहयोगी.
about the film Code being nominated for the Oscars, how much do you think?
I think Code is a very good choice and the best part is it's a regional film and I think unanimously everybody loves Code and that's the big thing. कोई भी controversy इस बार नहीं सुनाई दे रही कि यार इसको क्यों choose किया. I think this is a very good choice.
आपके दादा श्री भी आप मतलब
हाँ
उनके बारे में
हाँ वो दंगल में आ रहे हैं आमिर खान सर के साथ. So I'm very proud of him. Yeah. I think subtle with this slight element of edge. आज मैं एक black color का फूल लगा के आया हूँ. So I think that's adding little edge here. Yeah. I'm wearing Kanali tonight. यार मैं बताऊँगा स्टेटमेंट दूँगा बहुत जल्दी इसके लिए. मैं कुछ नहीं कह सकता. GQ man, I think GQ man is the imperfect man. He's not the perfect man. 2015's GQ man has to be slightly imperfect. I think imperfections are very endearing.
Thank you so much. Do you know the theme for today is digital? So are you hearing something digital?
I believe it's something to do with technology that I have absolutely no knowledge of. So I feel like a misfit in this. I think at an event like this, where I think it's all about technology. I think that's what it is all about. So I do feel like a little bit of a misfit.
You are being awarded tonight. Any thoughts on this? Coming award में आपको चीज women में आप
Well, I don't think I have much of a say in that sense. Does it feel nice to receive awards and be applauded for your work? Of course it does. But I think, I don't think I've ever worked consciously keeping awards in mind. I think I've always gone about my life doing what I feel is right and going about my life. And in the process, if the awards happen, then, it's the cherry or icing on the cake.
तमाशा और देखा है बहुत सराहा जा रहा है. Everyone is much appreciating it. आपको कैसा फीडबैक मिला है?
We're very excited, and I think there's a lot of expectation from the film, and I hope that we live up to all that expectation. Though it's a very, very different film, it's very, very different from Ye Jawani Hai Deewani. But for me, it's a dream team. I've always wanted to work with Imtiaz and have Ranveer as my co-star, and I think the feedback post the trailer has been phenomenal, and now I hope that people enjoy watching us in this film as much as they enjoyed Ye Jawani.
So my first question to you is, there was a report today was a report being posted in Tabloid and Broadcast saying that आपकी बाजीराव मस्तानी 25 दिसंबर को पोस्टपोन की जा रही है. क्या ये बात सच है या फिर?
I have no idea. In fact, I've literally taken just a few hours off to come here and attend this event and then go back. I'm shooting the climax of the film right now. That's very, very important, and so an event like this, I have to admit, is a little bit of a distraction in the middle of all of that. But so I have no idea, but not that I know of.
Correct me if I'm wrong. You're making a movie with Shah Rukh Khan with Anand Rai. True or not?
I haven't signed any other film right now. The only films that I have lined up right now are Tamasha, which releases on 27 November, and Bajirao Mastani on the 18th of December, and that's it. There's no other announcement to make. Sorry? Has been sent. Yeah, I read that. I haven't been able to see the film, but congratulations to the team, and hopefully I'll get to see it soon.
रणवीर का कल बर्थडे है, वो वहाँ चले गया.
He's shooting for a film, I think, and that's why he's there. And I think for all of us, I think our personal commitments are always a priority over personal commitments. And I think we were all there together, wishing him on the 22nd when we released the trailer. And I hope he has a great year.
अगर आप
One last question. According to you, is it GQ man? How would you define a GQ man?
I think for me, a GQ man is someone who just does his thing, and I don't know. I think it has to be a little bit of someone who's confident in his own skin. I think someone who's just the way he is, and that's what makes him the GQ man. I think that I find that really attractive. So. Thank you.
Sir, here, right. How is it? मंगे झालं का सांग मला. हा नील सर. हा विचारतो. हा नील सर. सर, you're right.
dressed by Saraf Krishnan, and Glamoura is their brand, and I think the ensemble that they put together, the suit, the three pieces, is quite exciting. I haven't done a three-piece in a long time now, so I said let's try and do something different here.
So, how much energy in the morning you just took a round all across India Gate. Now
I know.
Any energy secret booster you have there?
No, not really. In fact, you have to know that I've been really unwell since the last 1 week. I had really high fever. I had the viral, but this is our life, so we got to be at it all the time now.
The theme for GQ this year is digital. So I want to know what is your favorite social media platform?
I think definitely Twitter is something that started, the trend of social media. Picked up with Instagram, Facebook, of course. For me, these three are really important.
And how addicted are you to it?
Pretty addicted actually. Instagram, my personal account, nobody else is allowed to handle. None of my PR people are allowed to touch my account, so that's only handled by me. And so I have a team NNM account which my team handles. But my Facebook page again is one page is dedicated only for me to handle, which I handle and update every day particularly, and that's only for friends and family. No idea. I'm going to go and check that out.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
What has that got to do with GQ?
So, something about that.
I have a question about fashion. Let's talk.
Yeah.
Not about Bigg Boss at the moment.
Who according to you is the perfect GQ man? Who
Sorry?
according to you is the perfect GQ man?
The ladies.
Narendra Modi.
Narendra Modi will come up.
Your opinion?
Narendra Modi.
Also, since the theme this year is digital, what's your favorite social media platform?
What's your
Twitter.
I think everything is there on Instagram or Twitter or Facebook, whatever it is. Yeah. Addicted enough to pass our time.
Time pass.
Anything else?
Okay? You're good? Thank you.
Thank you. Give it to me, Tim. Give it to me.
मैडम पहले नेपाल गए थे ना तो एक से कलरफुल था सर समोर
Congratulations. We had been long waiting for you.
Oh my God, my favorite. Thank you so much. देखी आपने?
जितने में आज कल
अच्छा नहीं देखी क्यों?
I will go for the one.
You are done. Where's the award?
विजान में गया
Hi, this is Faridoon Shahryar. For the most interesting celebrity interviews, do subscribe to Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.